Hello, and thank you for your interest and enthusiasm. I'm here to prepare you for victory. So, let's get started. One of the exciting differences between traditional Baccarat and Avantage Baccarat is that traditional Baccarat only has one player bank matchup, whereas Avantage Baccarat has 5 separate matchups between the bank and 5 other players at the table. Another exciting difference is that traditional Baccarat, all plays must be made before the cards are dealt, whereas in Avantage Baccarat, plays may be made throughout the hand as odds change with the turn of each card. Let's now discuss Avantage Baccarat's 2 different competition formats: single-level pool contests and multi-level tournaments. Single-level, one-hand pool contest consists of a single hand with 5 bank player matchups and up to 5 rounds of play. These start and finish about every 6 minutes. To qualify for a share of any of the prize pools entered, you must make at least 4 direct plays versus the house during the contest of any amount ranging from 1 to 1,000 white diamonds. Direct plays made during the contest pay off in white diamonds, as they are settled based on the odds displayed when the play is made. At the end of the hand, the top 30% of participants split the respective prize pool based on their position on the leaderboard. To enter a single-hand pool contest, simply navigate to the game menu and select Single Hand Contest. Because we believe you deserve a chance at greatness, we're going to turn the conversation to how you can win a share of the Avantage Baccarat World Championship. This multi-level competition was modeled after World Series of Poker. The Avantage Baccarat World Championship consists of 5 levels. To enter a World Championship single-hand contest, navigate to the game menu and select World Championship. Single-hand contests in the first 4 levels are called shootouts. A shootout is a variation of a one-hand contest between you and 1 to 10 people that enables the game participants to win a free entry into the next level. To win a free entry, you'll have to finish in first place against a total of 10 other players, either in a single shootout or a combination of multiple shootouts. You can also enter any of the 5 levels of the Avantage Baccarat World Championship at any time by simply putting in the respective levels entry fee of 1, 10, 100, 1,000, or 10,000 white diamonds for the finals. The top 30% of players in the finals will split the World Championship prize pool. As with single level, one-hand contests, final player positions are determined by win percentage, which is your total amount won divided by your total amount played. To make smart choices that lead to thrilling wins, you should invest the time to understand the game fully by watching the How to Play video.